Hello everyone and welcome to the online session of science. So today we are going to cover some topics from chapter 2. Our chapter 2 is nutrition in animal, as you all know. So for today we are going to cover following topics, and our topics would be assimilation of food, and our topics would be nutrition in ruminants. So we'll start with assimilation of food. So assimilation means utilization of absorbed food. So in our previous session we have discussed about absorption of food, and we have also discussed about villi. Today we are going to discuss about assimilation means utilization. As you can see in the slide, there are 3 points. After you eat, your body breaks down food during digestion, right? We have already discussed about this. Absorb the nutrients and distributes them to cell during assimilation. हमने डिस्कस किया था whenever you are intaking your food, फर्स्ट वो ब्रेक डाउन होता है सिंपल और सिंपलर कंपोनेंट्स में, उसके बाद उसका डाइजेशन स्टार्ट होता है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज डाइजेशन एंड assimilation is something different. Assimilation means after breaking down, utilization of nutrients. So assimilation gets the nutrients from your food to your cells where they are used for growth and repair. So assimilation means आपके उन important nutrients का उन body parts तक पहुंचना जहाँ पे उनका use होता है growth and repair के लिए. So this we called assimilation. In the slide you can see the difference between absorption and assimilation. So absorption is something different and assimilation is something different process. Absorption means these small food molecules enter into the blood capillaries and are carried away by the blood. So assimilation means utilization and absorption means the food or the nutrients, we can say, enter into the blood capillaries. Clear about it? So this is about assimilation. Now our next slide is about large intestine. So in our previous slide or previous session we have discussed about small intestine. So large intestine, the undigested and unabsorbed food is passed to the large intestine. अब प्रीवियस स्लाइड में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो फूड आपका डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में विलेई के थ्रू आपकी बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक पहुंचता है, बट जो रिमेनिंग फूड है अनडाइजेस्टेड और जो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं हुआ है वो पहुंचता है आपकी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में. सो इट इज अबाउट 1.5 मीटर और 5 feet long, and the important thing about is it absorb water and necessary salt from undigested food. जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड आपका लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में आया है, यहाँ पे उसमें से जो भी नेसेसरी सॉल्ट और अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड वाटर होता है वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया जाता है, एंड बाकी का जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट होता है वो पुश्ड कर दिया जाता है रेक्टम में. राइट? इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी द पार्ट ऑफ रेक्टम. So the large intestine is about 1.5 meter or 5 feet long, and the large intestine is used to absorb water from the waste material left over and to produce vitamin K and some B vitamins using the helpful bacteria that live here. So this is about large intestine. इसमें सिर्फ आपका जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है उसमें से सम अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया जाता है, एंड का जो फूड होता है अनडाइजेस्ट वो पुश डाउन हो जाता है आपके रेक्टम में. सो नाउ वील डिस्कस अबाउट आवर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. दिस इज function, we can say function of large intestine. So as I told you, the remaining part of the food is pushed into the rectum and the solid waste is stored in the rectum in the form of feces and expelled from the body through anus by a process called defecation. Defecation or egestion, we can say. So this is the process. This process happens through your anus. So this is the main function of rectum or and anus. Right? So this is the function of large intestine, rectum and anus. So our next slide is about nutrition in ruminants. So as we have discussed about human digestive system, now we'll discuss about digestive system of ruminants, means cow, you can say. So we'll start with, as in the slide you can see a different part. Ruminants digestive system we can categorize, or you can say we can differentiate into different parts. First you can see rumen, second reticulum, third is omasum, fourth is abomasum, right? So these animal called ruminants. So the important thing here is human being cannot digest the cellulose present in the grass. As you all know, cow is a herbivore and cow eats grass. So human being cannot digest grass, but animal can. How? Because a bacteria present in their digestive system, and these animal, as I have told you, called ruminants. So the stomach of the ruminants is divided into 4 chambers. First you can see in the picture rumen, second is reticulum, third is omasum, and fourth is abomasum. Abomasum we called it true stomach, so we'll discuss it later. So we'll start with our next slide. It is about ruminants, ruminant system of digestion. So one stomach with 4 chambers, you can say. Digestive tract is composed of oral cavity, esophagus, stomach. So यहाँ तक हमने अगर ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में जो डिस्कस किया था, दिस इज सेम, ओरल कैविटी, ईसोफेगस एंड स्टमक. बट स्टमक is divided into 4 different parts: reticulum, rumen, omasum and abomasum. Then intestine, small intestine and large intestine. After abomasum the process will be same, small intestine and large intestine. So our next slide is about digestion of a cow. So first step we can say, in the first step they eat the food, half chew and partially digest it and swallow it. This half chewed and partially digested food is called cud. सबसे पहले जो ये ruminants होते हैं, they intake their food, उसको partially chew करते हैं, swallow कर लेते हैं, इस food को we call cud. And in their leisure time, अपने खाली time में, when they are relaxing, ये food वापस उनके mouth में आता है. The food comes back into their mouths in small lumps for further chewing. स्मॉल छोटे छोटे लम्प्स के फॉर्म में, और फिर आगे वो उसको दोबारा च्यू करते हैं. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड च्यूइंग ऑफ कड और रुमिनेशन. देन एंड दैट इज व्हाई दीज एनिमल कॉल रुमिनेंट्स. सो दिस इज वी कैन से द फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकंड स्टेप, in the slide you can see at the last point, these bacteria are not present in human being. That is why a digestive system cannot digest grass, as I have already told you. So our next slide is about next step. So when a ruminant swallow the half chewed food, it enter the rumen where some bacteria and other microorganism act on food. जब ये half chewed food उनके rumen में enter करता है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, रुमेन. सो वहाँ पे कुछ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, कुछ बैक्टीरिया होते हैं जो एक्ट करते हैं उस फूड पे और उसमें से सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं. देन द पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज देन पुश टू द रेटिकुलम. इट इज द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द स्टमक, राइट. देन फ्रॉम द रेटिकुलम इट इज सेंड बैक टू द माउथ. फिर से फर्दर च्यूइंग के लिए ये माउथ में पुश कर दिया जाता है. एंड व्हेन द फूड इज कम्प्लीटली च्यूड, जब ये इस फूड को कम्प्लीटली च्यू कर लेते हैं, देन it directly reach the omasum. That is the third part of the stomach. यहाँ पे जो वाटर प्रेजेंट होता है फूड में, उसका पार्शियल एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है. उसके बाद ये फूड पुश डाउन कर दिया जाता है abomasum. Abomasum is the last part of the stomach and this we call true stomach, because the final digestion takes place here only. So in this chamber gastric juices are secreted and digestion is further carried on. So then बाकी आगे का जो प्रोसेस होता है it is same as जो human being में होता है. So this here the different ruminant stomach having 4 parts, right? Rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So जो ये फूड सबसे पहले they intake द फूड, उसको पार्शियली च्यू करते हैं, एंड द पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज कॉल्ड कर्ड. देन आई हैव टोल्ड यू, अपने खाली टाइम में वापस वो फूड उनके माउथ में आता है और उसको आगे वो दोबारा कंप्लीट च्यू करते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. और क्योंकि प्रॉपर chewing of food है, this process we call rumination, or that's why we call them ruminants. So this is about nutrition in ruminants. That's all for the session. Complete the given assignment. Thank you.